Hello guys, this is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. And today is 2023, 8th of June, and we are back here once again, right? It looks like we're in the beginning of the month. Okay, but it seems like this month also going to fly very fast. Okay, yesterday. All right, let's take a look what's happening here. All right, yesterday. Alright, let's take a look at yesterday. Yeah, I received some messages, okay, over here. And let's see. Yesterday, well, the pound dollar, after we tested onto the support over here, it bounced back. Well, bounced back nicely. Go up all the way, take out the highs, the Asian high for yesterday. And also take out the Asian highs for the Monday, correct? And all the way, it went up to this area here, meeting up with a resistance up there. Okay, the resistance was quite yeah, the resistance was at this area here, okay, which stand at the 2nd of June. Okay, and then now it's coming back here again, right? Okay, so let's see. So after tested onto the resistance, then it started to slip off. Well, coming into this area here, this is the area that I'm looking out for a profitable area. Okay. Okay, so let's see later on if we can have any opportunity to actually grab some profit here. Okay. All right. Okay, thank you so much. Good morning, VJ. And hi, Bradley. Hi, CK. Good afternoon, CK. And well, thank you so much, Hubert. Yes, thank you so much for coming in. Okay, and let's see what we have over here. Okay, first of all, a little recap. Hi, Manwai. Well, hope you got something. Hope you learned something yesterday, right? Okay, so over here, looking into this area here. Okay, so this is the pound dollar, am I right? Okay, let's screen over to our Aussie CAD. Okay. Well, we have our Aussie CAD over here. Okay, and looks like Aussie CAD is another one. Aussie CAD has a very big drop, as we can see yesterday, after the high impact news. Okay, so looks like you know, Aussie CAD today. Okay, buyers can take note once it set up the support. Okay, we're gonna look out for this area here. All right, we're gonna look out for this area, and then later we're gonna take a look, see if there is any way of support over here. Then after that, then once it's meet up the support over here, if this is not breaking through, highly likely that we are going to see there's going to have another buy up again. All right, so up there we have a very good liquidity over here to take about 40 over pips to go, so buyers can take note. Okay, as of now, sellers, no, I think sellers, I think it's good to stay away for a while. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. I'm not okay. Aussie CAD over here. Yeah, let's take a look. Aussie CAD. Okay, so buyers take a look. Sellers have to stay away. Okay, seems like there is a very, you know, Aussie CAD has threw about I think Aussie CAD has threw about 40 pips into the market for the buyers to take. All right, so similarly in just like dollar CAD as well. All right, yesterday dollar CAD. Okay, anyway, yeah, for Aussie CAD, buyers take note. Okay, but for sellers, okay, we got to stay away first. Okay, it's not for us. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I'm going to note it down. Okay, Yeah, let's move on. Aussie franc, well, Aussie franc, we are still on the buy side. Okay, so nicely until yesterday, from yesterday until today, we are still on the buy side. Looks like the Aussie franc, we are setting up the support to continue the bull. So buyers can take note, but sellers have to stay away. All right. So for the Aussie yen, we have since yesterday we are still hovering around the resistance area. So over at this point here, okay, looks like we still have quite a while to go before this Aussie yen will start the selling. But I see that the Aussie yen selling is actually coming in very soon, I suppose. Okay, so we can pay attention to that, but not now. All right. Okay, so for Aussie dollar, let's skip the Aussie Kiwi first. Okay, for Aussie dollar, well, Aussie dollar, as we can see, let's take a look at the trend here. All right, looking at the trend over here. Okay, and we are looking into this area here. Started to swing down and hover around, and then started to sell down again. Are we in the bull or in the bear? We are in the bear. But basing on this reclamation over here, it looks like we are going for a bull. Okay, so over here, as I'm looking at this, there's a support here which is very prominent. This has to be break before I can start the selling. Okay, so over at this point here, this area here, we have 10 over pips to go. After it breaks this area, then we were able to see that there will be a good chance for another round of selling down. Okay, so we should have about another 25 pips to go, around 25 pips to go. Okay, so 25 to 30. Okay, so there's some good one over here that we can pay attention to. All right. Okay, so that's for the Aussie dollar. Today looks like Aussie dollar is another one. Okay, we can pay attention to. Right. Hi MK, nice to see you here. Right, Euro Aussie. Well, Euro Aussie yesterday it has a slip off here, but today there's some reclamation, so we got to be a little bit careful. All right, just hang on first. Today let's wait for the Euro Aussie to test onto any form of a resistance. Over here, there's supposed to be a resistance, but it breaks through. Now waiting for it to test a higher resistance, which I see there may be a good chance that they may even go up to this level, which is very high up over at this point here. So likely another 48 pips. So I would say that unless over here it started to build a selling over at this point here, then there will be a good chance. But for Euro Aussie, I think that maybe on the next 4-hour session, then we will be able to tell. Currently, we are stuck in the area that we can't tell whether is it going back or is coming back down again. All right, so we'll skip this first. All right, Euro CAD. Let's take a look at Euro CAD. Well, for Euro CAD over here, we are in the bear. All right, so in the transition until now, we are still in the bear, but we are coming near to a support level. So we are coming near to a support level over at this point here. We still have about 60 pips to go. So once over here, one support here, and one resistance up here. Okay, so let's see if there is a chance that it's going to break the support over at this area here. Then we can continue another 48 pips. Okay, so looks good. Okay, so let's take a look at the Euro CAD. So Euro CAD, let's see if there's any good chance down there for us to take. Okay, but for Euro CAD once again, okay, as we can see over here, we have a very big gap here. Okay, so looks like there may be some reclamation up there. So Euro CAD, it looks good to sell unless it breaks the support. However, if that Euro CAD currently, based on current situation with that gap here, okay, I think it's better to stay away for a while. Even it's coming down here to take the support about 13 pips is to set up the support to continue to go for the buy. Okay, so in that case, it's not really very fantastic for us to go into this as a selling now, because the selling is to look out for the support. But now, by looking at the support over here, okay, you know, it's only about 13 pips. So to me, is that it's a bit tight. The space is a bit tight. So I will prefer not to, okay, take the risk. All right. Okay, so that's for the Euro CAD. So let's move on to Euro Yen. Okay, Euro Yen. So for Euro Yen, okay, for Euro Yen over here, as in the bull, we can look out for a bull running up towards this area of resistance. And this is also a form of interchange where the where it shows that there's a good sign that the trend may be transiting from the bull into the bear. Alright, so looks like we are working hard in the transition for the euro yen. So at the moment, right now, I think it's very clear that we are going to test onto the resistance up here, or it's even here. Alright, as we can see, there's one resistance here, and there's also one resistance up there, or even higher up. Okay, so let's see this area first. Okay, let's take this level. Okay, if this is able to hold as a resistance, 150.026, if this is able to hold as a resistance, alright, then we can continue the selling because it may come back here to take this support. Okay, so that is still quite a good chance there. So just wait for the next, I think for euro yen, we can wait for the next H4. Alright, I think that will be better. Okay, so for the euro dollar, let's take a look at euro dollar. Well, euro dollar over at this point here, we are in the bear. Okay, very clear. Apart from this part, we are into the bull, and now setting up the support to push higher to test onto the resistance, setting up the interchange, transiting the bull into the bear. So right now we are actually right here in this area as a resistance. As you can see, the resistance is here, very clear. We got some rejections over here, and showing the resistance is pretty strong. So at the moment, by looking into this, okay, there may be a good chance for the euro dollar to sell down for about 40 pips. So I will say that today, okay, we can take a look, okay, for the euro dollar. Okay, so let's see, what do I have here for the pound Aussie? Well, pound Aussie over here. Yes, pound Aussie, well, we can take a look. Pound Aussie, we are in the bull. Okay, selling down into the bear. Not yet, but we are still in the transition. So at the moment, like say over this point here, once it's actually it's actually entering into the bear. Okay, for the pound Aussie, it's actually entering into the bear with a trending market selling down. So this pullback, these buyers may be only a pullback. Okay, maybe only a pullback. So let's take a look. Is there any resistance here? Yes, there's one resistance here. Is there any support down there? Yes, over here. Okay, so we can see the support. Okay, it's over here. Right, so we are very near. We are about 10 over pips to go. Once it breaks below, all right, then we still have about 70 pips to go. So I think our pound Aussie is still good. Okay, still good. So let's take a look at the pound Aussie. Although it looks good over here, okay, then but we still have to wait for this to break the support. Then after that, we give a retest with a new resistance. Then we continue the selling. Okay, so pound Aussie looks good. Okay. Well, for pound CAD, let's quickly move into pound CAD. Well, pound CAD over at this point here looks like it's very obvious we are still in the bull, right? But this bull has actually went in and started to retrace downwards. I would say that this is more or less is only a retracement. It's a very big retracement, I know. Yeah, okay. But we are very near to the support level once again. Okay, so we have one support level over here, correct? So after this, when it breaks below, we should have about 60 pips to go. So that's for the pound CAD. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, I'm gonna put this pound CAD into my watch list. Okay, yeah, and once again, hopefully pound franc something. Pound franc we have nothing. Okay, so so pound franc we have nothing. Same thing, we are stuck here. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let's see pound yen. Okay, pound yen we are in the bull. We are still in the bull. Right, pound yen we are still in the bull. So in this bull, okay, we are looking into this. Okay, excuse me. Oh my god. Okay, so for the pound yen, alright, pound yen we have tested onto the resistance. We are in the bull. Remember, pound yen we are in the bull, but the resistance, it seems like the resistance is holding it down. So looks like the pound yen is going to swing down. It's going to swing downwards, okay, to take some support before it can continue to go further up to break the resistance. As a basic theory on the support and resistance, as we can see, once the resistance is being tested, and it's still holding down the price nicely, then that means to say we are going down to look out for support. Okay, so we are going down to look out for support, am I right? Okay, since that's the case, we are going down to look out for support, then we may have a chance to sell. Okay, so yeah, I heard something like this. Okay, Steven. Okay, Steven, if you're there, huh? Steven. Okay, this is what we discussed this morning, huh? All right. So yeah, so for pound yen, there may be a good chance for selling once it retests and set up a new resistance. Okay, over here, or another round of a lower highs is being created for a lower low. Yes, then we can go down for the sell down. Looks like we have a very good play area here. Okay, so for the pound yen, should be looking out into 173.652 to sell down for about 45 pips. Okay, all right, that's for the pound yen. But remember, pound yen, we are anti-trend trading, so we are actually going against the trend. So please be careful when you are selling down, to try to have a scalping more than long term. Okay, to hold the trade. All right, it depends. Okay, but that's my advice. Okay, so because I see that we are against the trend, so be careful. All right, Sawadee krap, Suki. Nice to see you. Well done for yesterday's trade, huh? Okay. Okay, so for pound kiwi, all right, for pound kiwi, very obvious we are still in the bull. Some retracement. Okay, however, this retracement is looking out for support. Looks like we are also pretty near to the support already. Okay, so I will want to see if this is able to break, but I do not want to take this because anyway it's still in the bull. Okay, so yeah, pound dollar, right? Pound dollar. Well, pound dollar, we are still in the bull in this round, coming in to try to break into the bear, but it got pushed back once again to hit on the resistance and coming back down here. So at the moment, today, if I'm looking into pound dollar, I will say that probably, okay, there may be some boring scene in this pound dollar. Okay, so it may either break above to this area, or it may break below into this area. So these are the two key levels that I'm looking out for, key areas. Okay, so if I'm going to take any trade, okay, most likely I'll be doing scalping downwards. Okay, and once it enter into this box here, okay, then I think that will be good for about 20 pips. Okay, so let's see where it is going first, because now currently if I'm putting this, okay, it's very obvious that we are stuck in between. Okay, we are stuck in between. Okay, so we are stuck in between here. So let's see where it is going before we take action. Okay, but I think for pound dollar, okay, pound dollar wise, more or less today is supposed to go on to look out for the resistance up there. Okay, so can pay attention to that. So pound dollar, unless this area here, okay, it comes in here and now over in this area, it may be forming a lower highs from this, then it will continue the selling. Okay, so let's see later on when the London markets open. I think that will be easier. Okay, it will be easier. So for pound dollar, okay, I'm going to leave this out first. Okay, I'm going to leave this out first because by looking into this area here, looks like we should be going for a buying, but at the same time, okay, the selling has tested the resistance. Okay, the resistance is here, up here. Okay, so it got rejected from the resistance. So today, let's say for H1, if there's a round of selling cycle appeared, then I think pound dollar should be good to focus to sell down again. Okay, all right. Okay, so in that case, I think we'll just put the pound dollar in. Okay, just in case we missed it. Okay, so dollar CAD, yeah, for dollar CAD, Aha. So dollar CAD over here. Let's see dollar CAD. Yeah, yesterday I was telling my guys after this drop. Okay, somebody was telling me, somebody alerts me about this drop. So I was telling them, you know what? Oh, dollar CAD, it threw a 30 pips on the floor for everybody to go and pick it up. Okay, yeah. So dollar CAD. As for today, okay, today we are actually back into the bear, but I think there will be some reclamation. Then it's going back to test onto the resistance around here. Then you know what? Then there will be a good chance for the selling. Okay, so right now we actually broke this. Okay, and broke this, and now we are coming into this area here. So dollar CAD over here, there may be some support. Okay, there may be some support over here coming into this area to become a resistance. So can we still focus on the dollar CAD? I would say that it may have a potential, okay, of about 36 pip. Okay, that will be about 36 pip. Okay, so for dollar CAD, I will say that yep, I'm going to put that into my watch list. Okay. Namaste, Wasim. Nice to see you here. Right, dollar franc. What about dollar franc? Dollar franc. Okay, dollar franc. Dollar franc looks like we are on the buy side today. Okay, we are heading up for a buy. If the support able to hold, okay, the support is here. If the support is not breaking and it's actually hold as a support level here, okay, then it may continue to buy up. Okay, so for dollar franc, I'm going to skip this first. Okay, how about the dollar yen? Okay, dollar yen. Well, dollar yen, I think for the dollar yen, it looks like a buy, correct? As we can see, this wave is actually in the bull. Then after that, H4, okay, H4 over here for the dollar yen, we can see that there may be a good chance that it's slipping off to take the liquidity down here. So for dollar yen, however, we are now on the support, right on the support over here, okay, and this support, okay, will be likely, okay, to form a buy and continue the buying until the resistance is tested. Okay, so there may be a good chance for that. Okay, yeah. So at this point here, all right, then we will try to accommodate. Okay, and we'll try to do some express. Then after that, there may be some good chance for the dollar yen to drop from the top to the bottom of this support about 86 pip. I think it's quite good, okay, but the general trend is not good. I don't favor this kind of general trend, okay. So, but there's a good chance for selling for dollar yen also. So you guys can take a look at the dollar yen. All right, dollar yen. Okay. Right. So let's see. Okay, Bitcoin over here. Bitcoin coming back into 26.5. Okay, how about the gold? Well, the gold wise, I think I probably okay for Bitcoin. Yeah, I think a big. No, sorry for the gold. Okay, for the gold. As for the gold wise, okay, I think we have tested onto the support. 1950 has been taken out. Okay. I will say that for now, the gold should be looking out to buy. Yeah. Okay. So the gold should be still on the buy side, but no selling. okay. This gold started to range around this area here. Yeah, so I think well, I think that should be for waiting. It's a waiting period now. Okay, so let's just wait for a little while. Okay, so let's see. What do we have? All right, that's something here. Okay, that's all. All right, yeah. Okay, right then. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Okay, for pound dollar. Okay, let's see the pound dollar, guys. Okay, once again, if you have any question, do let me know. Okay, and just a little announcement for everybody. I will be away. Okay, I will be away. From next Monday onwards, okay, until the 24, 25, 26, 24, 26, and Monday, okay, right. Okay, so I will be seeing you on the 26th, guys. Okay, any day earlier, I will. If any day earlier, then I can come in. Okay, then I will also come online. Okay, all right, yeah. Okay, MK. Okay, come on, give me a hug. Okay, so today for the pound dollar. Okay, so today for the pound dollar. Well, for pound dollar, it looks like it's moving upwards now. Okay, still moving on the buy side. So tentatively, still not that ideal for the selling yet. Okay, so not so good yet. So let's wait for a little while. Okay, let's wait for a little while. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Oh. Let's see. Let's wait for it to test onto the resistance. If I want to sell, always remember we are going to sell at the resistance. Am I right? Okay, so we are going to sell at the resistance. So now it's a time for us to wait for it to reach the resistance before we actually take action. Okay. Yeah. So just be patient. Okay, just wait for a while. All right. Yeah, so for now, I think today, guys, let me tell you something. Today is going to be slow. Okay, it's going to be slow. So don't feel bored or surprised that how come today is so slow. Okay, yeah. Okay, so today is going to be a slow day, right? Yeah. I am so okay. I'm so sleepy. Yeah, the market is so slow. Any one of them is so slow right now. Okay, it's still moving very slow. Yes. Okay, as we can see right now for euro dollar, okay, yeah, looks like a euro dollar. We are also climbing. For euro dollar, let's see once the opening here, they have tested into this area. Okay, so we are still in this support. Yes, make a cup of hot coffee, Alexander. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, very sleepy because of the market. Yeah. Speaking of which, I have not been drinking coffee. I have not drank any coffee since a long while. Oh yeah, maybe a little bit should be good, huh? Yeah. No, sometimes when guys, sometimes you will experience the market is really very slow. Okay, really very slow to the extent of you are falling asleep. Okay, it can be so boring to the extent you fall asleep. Okay, but you shouldn't be affected by the market when it's so slow to trigger your FOMO. Okay, to trigger your FOMO. So better not to. All right. So during this period of time where we are so boring, so sleepy, okay, towards the slow market. Okay. Sorry. So we can discuss and ask questions at the same time so we can, all right, just learn from each other. Okay, all right, just this is the best way to keep the FOMO away. Okay, yeah, some of us may be like thinking, okay, since it's so slow and this channel is so boring, well, sometimes when we meet up, sometimes we, bump into such a situation, then we have to be boring at times. When the time to get boring, okay, it's also a time to test on your emotion. All right, so try to have a good mindset. Okay, psychology wise must be very good. Okay, yeah, okay. So for the pound dollar, euro dollar, okay, for euro dollar, yeah, it's also very slow. Okay, pound yen, yes, let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen worse. If pound yen is actually retracing upwards now, okay, we are still going back to test the resistance, okay, which you can see the highs is there. Okay, well, the Asian high is there. So will there be a chance this highs has been taken out? Okay. So maybe there may be a chance of resistance to be tested. So let's see. In fact, it's quite good over here for the pound yen. Okay, for pound yen, pound yen wise, I will see that there may be a good chance. Okay, over here. Once it breaks this area, we should have about 17 pips, 17, being the first stop here. That's about a 17 pips. Okay, about 17 pips. Okay, it's about 17 pips there. Yes, correct. Okay, so over here, let's wait for a while. Pound dollar. Well, pound dollar, we have about 6 minutes to go. Okay, take it easy for pound dollar. It slipped off nicely from here to here, about 15 pips. From here to here, we have about 12 pips. And dollar. Okay. Looks like the pound dollar is a bit. So we have to look out for this whole chart here. The whole chart liquidity here moving towards the north. Okay. And let's see. Moving this in. Oh, this doesn't look very interesting to me. Okay, what's the next thing that I'm going to look out for? High impact news today. Looks like today the dollar is going to manipulate the market. Okay, I think so. All right, we have unemployment claims later on in GMT plus 8:30 p.m. for the Asian here. Okay. About 1:30 in the afternoon for the central. Okay, so for the Americans will be in the morning. Yeah, and the unemployment claims. Well, I think this today is going to give something, you know. Yeah. Sawadee krap 168. สบายดีไหมนะ Okay. Okay. Yeah. I have a group now in Phuket. I have a group now in Phuket. Okay. They are coming back over. Okay. Well, over the weekend, yeah. One group of one group of traders in Phuket now. In Phuket. They actually asked me to go over. Yeah, but unfortunately, no. Oh, not unfortunately. I'm lucky that I'm not there yet. Okay, so that I can be with all of you here. Okay, yeah. If not, then I'm gonna have the whole month of the June I'll be away. Okay. Oh my god. Cabaret group. Maybe that for that we will go another place. Another place is where good man go heaven. Good man go heaven, right? Okay, bad man go Phuket. No, Pattaya. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, maybe the next trip we should meet up in Pattaya. Okay, guys, come on. Okay, let's see. We are looking into this pound dollar. I'm waiting. We are 2 minutes away. We are just 2 minutes away, and the action will come in. Then we will be able to see what we are going to do later on. Okay, just 2 minutes away. So hold your fire. All right, just hold your fire. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute to go. All right. Okay, as we can see over here for the pound dollar, right? Pound dollar over here. Let's go a little bit. Okay. We are going to look out for the general view in this 1 minute. Swing down nicely. Now swing up, stop, swing up. Now swing down here. And yesterday it hits here. Then after that, not yesterday, sorry, the beginning of the week, Monday, Tuesday, and yesterday, Wednesday, and now it went up again. So now looking into this area here, are we looking into this area to this area about 18 pips, 1.8? Okay, 1.8. Okay, so let's see if there any action comes along in the London session. Okay, all right, we are left with 10 seconds to go. Okay, 10 seconds. Okay, just 10 seconds. Okay, let's wait and see. Okay, let's see if there's anything that comes along. Well, if this is going to break above the resistance, okay, it's going to break above the resistance up here, and let's wait for a support. Then we will go for a buy up there. Okay. Well, for this, in this case here, if this is going to, by looking into this area here, it has to break below. Okay, this area here. All right, we have about 18 pips. Okay, 18 pips. Okay, then we'll see how it goes. All right. Good morning, London. All right, so let's see. London has opened, and don't tell me today is going to hover around this whole area, huh? Okay. Okay, looking into my charts here. Okay, I have plotted out, and we are stuck inside here. Okay, we are stuck within this area here, about 37 pips. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's see if there's any chance there for our pound dollar to go for any selling. Okay, there's one support here. There's one support here. This is the highs here. Right, so let's see if this is going to take down any point. Okay, right now, if let's say if I'm going for a selling, it seems like a bit high risk, huh? A bit high risk. Okay, so over at this area here, yeah, over at this area here, okay, then this area here, if this is going to break into this area, yeah, this is the area that I'll be looking out for about 20 pips. For about 20 pips. Okay. So let's see how it goes. Okay. Yeah. What do you tell yourself each day when you are trading? Yes, Flora. For myself? Okay. For myself. Okay, I will always tell myself, if there's a trade, of course I want to enter. Okay, if there isn't any trade to enter, then it's fine, it's okay. Yeah, keep it easy, keep it as cool as a cucumber. Just like what Joshi Boy always quoted, huh? Okay, so yep, and euro dollar, London market has opened. It started to swing down over here. Yeah, it seems like we always look. We're also looking out for the support over into this area here. Okay, so for euro dollar, okay, we still have this area here to clear. Okay, so one big area here. This area about 9 pips, which is quite a difficult area. Okay, let's see how it goes first. All right, because for now, if this is able to break. Okay, to form another lower highs here, to form after the lower highs with a resistance, they also have a chance to actually come down here to take this so that it can go further down. Okay, so at for now we are just like in pound dollar. We are going to stuck in this area for long time. Okay, for long time. Trust me. Okay, we are going to stuck in this area for very long time. Okay, yeah. So let's move a little bit up here. Okay, about 30 minutes. Let's see the overview. Okay, so we can see yesterday we have a good swing down over here. Some of you getting about 30 pips, some are 20 pips. Okay, then after that it started to swing up. Alright, so we are very happy and thank you, Caro, sharing with in the Discord group, Discord community. Alright, so over at this point, we managed to see that like what we have predicted, not predicted. Okay, we forecasted. Okay, that the pound dollar is going up to take the first Asian. Okay, which is yesterday Asian high. Then it's going to take yesterday Asian high. Yes, indeed it happens, and it actually boomed up to take this area. All right, so this area of a resistance. Okay, so at this point here, so it's very clear that we are actually yesterday pound dollar went according to our plans nicely, but it has not accomplished my targets here up here yet. Okay, still a little bit more to go. Then it slip off after the high impact news. Okay, then I started to slip off until this area, right? Then set up a support to continue the buying. It looks like pound dollar, okay, is going to push higher. Okay, it looks like it's going to push higher, right? So it looks like it's going to push higher to the extent that we are going back into the 124,960. Okay, so that is one. All right, that is one. So probably we may want to take a look later on. Okay, and to see how it goes. Okay, yeah. Okay, so for now, it looks like yeah, we are going to stuck here. All right, Pound yen, let's take a look. Since the pound dollar is boring, let's take a look at pound yen. seems like it also, it's also the same, huh? Okay, not much difference here. Well, since yeah, okay, yes. Okay, let's drink some water. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, dear. Alright, so okay. Let's see. Yeah, so pound yen. We looks like we are still into this area here. Boring area. It's so boring. Guys, this is not the first time. Okay, this is not the first time we are so boring in the trade. Okay. But we've been through, okay, we've been through like the CPI, PPI, non-farm payroll, okay. Alright, yes, 168 need to work now. Okay, enjoy working. I know you don't have a chair, okay, so keep your legs running, keep your legs walking. Keep walking, Johnny Walker. Okay. Alright. So okay, so let's see. Sometimes, okay, let's learn something over here since we need to wait, okay. Over here in the pound yen, okay, we can see that pound yen is actually stuck in this area here, right? So as we can see into the bigger time frame, as we are going into the bigger time frame, okay, a higher time frame, right? So we can actually started to see that they are actually going in as like a consolidation, a very big consolidation into this area here, right? And then you can see one more layer here, okay, which is now into this area. So you can see this area here. It looks like this whole area. Okay, yeah, this area here seems like it's a very tough area. Once we are into this area, the price is going to hover around here. So I will rather wait to see if the price is going to break above. Okay, once it close and break above, right? Let's wait for a support, retest, and to continue the buying. Okay, that is one good one. Okay, other than that, if this is going to break below, okay, then we retest, right? Then after that, retest as a resistance, then we go for the selling. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that this area is very tough. Am I right? It is so tough to the extent that the price may start to consolidate. So if the price is going to consolidate, in that case, then we can just simply wait for a while. Okay, then let's see which side it is going. Okay, right? Hi Mike, thank you Mike for joining in the Discord. Okay, so yep, tentatively the Discord community is to do some updating for now. Okay, yeah. All right, so yeah, let's take a look at pound dollar, how it goes. Okay, boring now, right? It's still boring. Okay, so we are still stuck inside here. Well, trust me, it's going to be like it's going to be this way. Okay, until New York session. Okay, but again, is that although it is going to be okay, so can I end my live streaming earlier? No, right? Okay. Yeah, I see. No way. No, please go on. Okay. All right. Okay, we need to go through this stage. Okay, we need to go through this phase. Okay, we have to go through this phase. Okay, why? So that in a way, right? In a way that we can put our emotion into test. Okay, so to go through that such a situation, that will then you at the same time you will gain the experience. Okay, in the forex market, whereby you have a big move up, we have a big move down, you have another consolidation move like this, it can be very boring. Okay, so I'll put it this way: you have a big hard jump yesterday and the big hard down and yesterday. Now it's time to relax, huh? Okay. Okay, so see it positively. Okay, take it easy. All right, and then from here gain the experience. So in future, when people are talking to you, talking about, I'm going to trade before the CPI come, before the PPI come, before the non-farm payroll come, before the unemployment claims come, yeah, we can trade if the market is not into a distribution or the accumulation, okay, or consolidation. So you know, then we can still trade. All right, but right now we are in such a situation. It seems like more onto the consolidation. It can be boring, right? But okay, yeah, just take it as an experience. Okay, and along the way we can learn to see how it moves within the consolidation. Okay, then we learn how to plot our plans. Okay, how to plot the plan in terms of where it is going after it breaks the resistance, what it should be happening. Example, support setup, then we continue the buying. If it breaks below, into the selling. Okay, into this area, wait for a new lower resistance, then we go for the selling. Okay, so this is the plan. This is the plan for the pound dollar as of now. Okay, so we must have a plan. It's important to have a plan, because every plan will help you to give yourself a clear direction, so that you will not feel so lost. And when you are lost, okay, you will feel very demoralized. Okay, you will feel so lost, so demoralized, and you don't know what to do, and in the end you get a lot of frustration. And when you get a frustration, what's next? You will get a lot of anxiety. And once you get anxiety, what is next? You will start to give yourself excuses to enter a trade. And that trade, basing on your emotions, is never accurate. It's never a right trade. Okay, but sometimes if the lady luck is smiling at you, yes, you may get one. Okay, you may get one trade, but bear that in mind. You are just being lucky that day that the lady luck is smiling at you, alright, and you manage to get one. But in this world, there's only one lady luck. There's only one lady luck. Okay, trust me. And she has to fly to many people. So today, when she comes to you, you are lucky enough to get that trade with profits, and she will have to fly off. She has to fly off to another person. Okay, so your lady luck is never with you forever. Okay, all right, yeah, okay, but you have a gentleman luck. That's me. Okay, yeah, that's a little joke to spur this boring movement up. Okay, well, for pound yen, I think we are getting close. All right, pound yen, we are getting close, and we are going to look at the euro yen. Okay, euro yen, yeah, well, euro yen. Looks like the euro yen is yeah, the euro yen. Okay, same thing, stuck. Yeah, as you can see, let me draw this out. Okay, so that you can see. Okay, it's stuck there. All right, it's stuck there. So let's see which direction is breaking out. Okay, just like pound yen. Pound yen, we are getting close to break above. Am I right? Pound yen, we are very close to break above. So it looks like a pound yen is going to take out the highs up here. Okay, so about 17 pips. 17 pips. 17. Okay, so let's wait for I think it's getting close. We are going to wait for one support. Okay, we are going to wait for one support. After the support form up, then we'll have a good chance there. Okay. Okay, so that's one. All right, and looks like the pound yen is being resisted down again. Okay, hold on. Okay, so near yet so far. Yes, you're right, Roger. Okay, yeah, so near yet so far. Yeah, we are about to break out of the area. Okay, so for pound dollar, well, I think about 11 pips. Okay. Okay. Well, this is not doing any good to all of us. Pound yen. Okay, if you're going to sell, if you are going to sell, that means you're going to trade within this area here. I would say that try not to. Okay, when it's actually coming in as a ranging here, all right, then try not to. Okay, try not to. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if this is going to break out. Either way. Okay, let's wait and see. Pound dollar, no. Euro yen. Euro yen. Okay, thank you, Sabrina. Okay, Sabrina is very diligently looking for trades. Okay. Euro yen. Okay, something here for us is Euro yen. Let's check now. 15 is good. 30 is good. H1 is good. Okay, H4. Not that good yet. Okay. So there's a support down here. Okay, about 10 pips. After it breaks the support, 33 pips. 33 pips. Okay. Euro yen. Wow. How about pound yen? Okay. Pound dollar. Looks like the dollar pairs today is not going to move as fast as we expect. Okay. Euro yen. Euro yen. No action yet. Pound dollar. Okay, what is that about pound dollar? Pound dollar. Pound dollar. No, tentatively pound dollar is also in the range. But it seems like it's moving upwards. Okay. Pound yen. Okay, looks like we are still here. How about euro yen? Okay, that's for euro yen. That's for the euro yen. Okay. Euro yen, euro yen. Euro yen, euro yen. I'm waiting for. Okay, let's talk about the plan for euro yen. Okay, the euro yen I'm talking about this is that we are going to test into this area. Okay, before it gets in another new resistance to form down. Okay, if there's another new resistance to form up, then likely we're going to test into this area here of support. There is about 15 pips, 1.5. If this 15 pips able to broke, okay, then we should be looking out into this area of 24. Okay, yeah. Ooh, okay. Yes, guys, do you have anything to ask me? Come on, feel free. Okay, feel free to ask something. Yeah, while waiting. Okay, I think these 2 hours today is going to be a wasted. Not really a wasted one, but it's going to be a boring one. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys, do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. At the same time, smash the like button for me. Okay. All right. Since we have nothing to do, do smash the like button. All right. Hi, Yemen. Nice to see you here. Good morning to you. Yeah, we are having a very boring day, boring morning over here. All right. So we are all stuck in the area. There isn't any good trades to take. Yeah. Any ideas about the Nasdaq? Nasdaq. I don't have any idea about the Nasdaq for now. Okay. Yeah. Okay. But they are talking about the indexes, right? Okay. Hi, Vibe. Hi, Vibe. Nice to see you here. It's been a long time, buddy. We are being well. Good to see you doing your stream. Yes, yes. Thank you so much. Yeah. Wow, it's been a long time. I didn't see you. Yeah, and yeah, today is a boring day for all of us here. You cannot sell, you cannot buy, you know. Alright. Okay, for pound dollar, for pound yen, we are actually coming in here. So waiting for another lower highs to form up. Yeah. I'm just close 10 points with losses because of borrowing on NAS. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. Well. It's okay. I think for now, huh? Okay. For Nasdaq wise, I honestly I don't really study into it. Okay, I don't really study into it. Yeah, so yeah. Yes, sideways slope. Yes, sideways slope. You're right. That's for the pound dollar. Yeah. For the pound yen, yeah, pound yen we are still in here, inside here. There's no clear direction. Euro dollar, yeah. Now it seems like there's some action, but still not that ideal yet. Okay. For the euro dollar, then after this area here, there may be a good chance that they are going to form the resistance, another resistance like this. Okay, then probably another 13 to 14 pips, 13 to 14. Okay, 13 to 14. It's about there. Okay, it's about there, right? Yeah, I was just looking at euro dollar, huh? Okay. Yeah, so euro dollar looks actually euro dollar looks pretty okay. Okay, euro dollar actually looks pretty okay. However, okay, this area here should be quite good. Okay, so but before entering into this area, by looking at this, okay, it should give some push up, a new resistance, then you should push down again. Okay, yeah. But if you're going to enter for euro dollar now, okay, it should be a 5 pips of scalping should be okay. Let's take a look. Not enough. Okay, it's exactly 5 pips, but taking into consideration of the spread is also very important. Okay, yeah, so that's one. Euro dollar, sorry, pound dollar. Boring, right? We are stuck. Once again, stuck. Yeah. Euro yen. Looks like the euro yen started to sell down over here. Okay, let's wait first. Can you imagine if euro yen is going to break out of the support 149.593? We should be looking down here. 32 pips there. It's quite good. Quite good. Should be quite good. Okay. And let's see. You can even go lower. 57 pips. Wow. That looks very appetizing. Pound yen. How about pound yen? Yes. What are you talking about? Is my girlfriend looking for me? Are you talking to me? Oh, you're talking to Rihanna. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so we have another 1 point here. 23 pips for the pound yen. Okay, 23 pips. We have a 23 pips. Okay, I guess today I'm going to be those online gamer. I will just sit down in front of the computer. Okay, I'm putting my head down. Oh my god, I'm going to sleep now. Correct. Okay, so the live streaming today. Okay, you're watching a live gamer here. Okay. It can be so boring, right? It's going sideways. Everything is going sideways. Even with the London market opening, it doesn't help in any of the liquidity there. Okay. Euro yen. Okay, euro yen. I will be looking into euro yen. Hopefully, the euro yen will break 149.593. Yeah. It's a relaxing stream with the music. Okay, that's nice. Thank you, vibe. Yeah. Okay, so just take it easy. All right, as long as like I said just now, okay, we have been through CPI, PPI, non-farm, and unemployment claims tonight. Okay, later on, so it's not surprised to see the movement, the charts going sideways. Okay, but it will be a good thing that we are here together. Okay, why is that so? Because if we are not together and we are on ourselves, I believe many of us has already entered some trades within this area here. We have already entered some trades, correct? And you are not as sleepy as me because, oh my god, you are waiting to hit your profit, correct? but it goes sideways, it gives you some emotional trigger. Oh, it's going to SL. Oh, come back. It's going to TP. Oh, it's going to SL. It's going to TP. Certainly, yes. Okay, yeah. So, well, take it easy. Take it easy. This is not the first time we've been through this. Okay. Well, all right. So that's a euro yen. How about the euro dollar? Okay, euro dollar. So let's see if the next red green candle that followed by the green red candle, okay, to close below into the area here, then I will see opportunity. Okay, then I will see the opportunity is there. Okay, yeah. Is this reading the same as what you read the market yesterday and the day before? Yes, it's the same. It's the same. You just need to take note of key levels, okay, support and resistance, okay, and what is the structure, okay. Then after that, we'll go into just the candles. Just wait. Okay. I want to be like those gamers, very focused. Focus, not on my chart. Focus to sleep. Focus to sleep. Oh, you see, this is so torturing, right? You know, when it comes down, it's going to break into this area, but it's now setting up a support. Oh, so tired, so boring. Okay, time for some singing. Okay, guys, if you have question, please shoot your question together. Okay, if not, you're going to hear me sing. All right. If not, you're going to hear me sing. It's going to be even more torturing. All right. Boring. I'm so boring. We are so boring. We are so boring. Okay. Yeah. Alright. The only one that is getting very close is the euro yen. Okay. Euro yen is the one that's getting very close. Okay. Okay. So euro yen. Okay. Alright, euro yen, yeah, okay. Euro yen is the one that's getting very close. Break this, retest, and there's a good sell now, huh? Yeah. You're like the karaoke master from the place down the street. Thank you so much. Yeah. Oh. Singing this karaoke is very interesting. Some people pronounce it karaoke, somebody pronounce it karaoke, well, whatever it is. Okay, but do you know, I love to sing so much to the extent, when I'm happy, I love to sing karaoke. When I'm down, I also want to go and sing karaoke. When I'm frustrated and I'm stressed out, I want to have some relief, I will also look for karaoke. Okay. Yeah, so it's such a wonderful invention, correct? Oh. And when we are boring in the forex market, we also can sing. Yeah. I should have one installed here. I should have one mini system installed here, so that we are so boring we can sing together, huh? Correct? Okay, yep. Yeah. During the COVID period, okay. During the COVID period, yes. my Zoom, my Zoom, it went almost 24 hours each day. All right, so anyone from different time zone will come into the Zoom. Okay, some will left for sleep, some will come in and talk to the rest, and then the rest will go. Some will go and sleep and then come back again, another round. Yeah, so sometimes it's so boring. We even sing in front of the Zoom. We drink in front of the Zoom. That's so funny, right? Okay, yeah, we have another 4 minutes, and next M5 is going to open. Okay, so guys, look out for this area here. Okay, now looks like today we are the lows over here. Okay, seems like it's taking out. Let's see. No, not yet. Okay, not yet. Oops. Okay, we are trying to take down. We are going to try to take the lows here. Okay, 725. So this about this 745. Okay. So if this is going to take out the lows, and then we will be looking for if this is going to set up for another buy. Okay, I think the buyers get ready. Okay, then likely we are going to swing for the buy to take out the highs. Okay, so okay, so just hang on. Pound yen. Okay, let's see. Pound yen looks like it's going to take the low as well. Pound yen. Okay, guys, we have about 12 pips down there. However, we also have a support here, so please take note. Okay, can you see? It hits on the support, and it got retraced upwards now. Okay. Yep. All right, guys. Just in case some of you that just came in that didn't take my announcement. Right. Today will be my last day of live streaming for this week. Okay, for the next 2 weeks. Okay, tomorrow I won't be around anymore. Okay, I'll be away until on the 26th. Yeah, I will be back on the 26th. Yeah, 26, correct. Okay, 26. Yeah. Okay, I'll be back on the 26th. Okay, so yeah. So over here. Okay, so let's see. Hang on. Euro yen. Is there any chance that you're going to... It has taken out the lows for Euro Yen. Let's take a look. Okay, the lows has been taken out. Okay, so buyers take note. Okay, seller can only take note after it breaks below 149.593. Okay. Oh, that's so nice of you, Vibe. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. I will be safe. Okay, I will be safe. Okay, I promise you. I will be safe. I make sure I come back in one piece. Okay, yeah. Then at the same time to practice my vocal, all right, my singing vocal, so that I can sing better when I come back. Just for you, right? Hi, Merry Christmas. UJ to sell, huh? UJ to sell maybe going against the trend. Okay. So yeah, just now we are talking about UJ to sell. UJ is very near to the support. Okay, UJ is very near to the support. $11 pips. Maybe a 5 is good. Okay. But UJ, if you are going to sell, this is not the right place to sell yet. Okay, this is not the right place to sell yet. I will be looking into this area to sell. this area here. Clear this area first. After this area, we should have about 20. First stage is 30. Okay, 25. Then after that, a total of 57. Okay, that's for the dollar yen. So if I want to sell, I want to sell below this area. 139.607. 139.607. Okay. Yeah. Yes, vibe. Okay, good. Not two, but one piece. Ah, yes. Not two, but one piece. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. Yeah. Maybe I cannot. Yeah. Okay. So that's for the dollar yen. You may able to sell down, okay, to this area. You have about 19 pips of space. Okay, but the selling is not that fantastic, you know. Okay. What are you talking about? Huh? Okay, so let's see. Our dollar just now about to sell down, but it went back again. Our yen, same thing. Let's see. Our yen. Euro dollar. Euro yen. Okay, Euro yen. Now has taken out the lows, and we should be looking out for the highs. Low. Okay. This is so slow, very slow. Do you know how to sing any Chinese song? Yes. 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 Chinese song, yes. But not all. In fact, there are now those songs were a trendy song to me once, but now it has become goldies. Okay, so maybe a few more years down the road will become oldies. Yeah. Just like some of the songs that I like it so much. For the English song, raindrops keep falling on my head. I like this very much. Okay, fly me to the moon. Yeah. Okay, I'm not so boring, guys. Yes, you know. Okay, I am showing you when I'm so boring. Okay, when there's nothing for me to enter, how am I behaving? Right, as long as I'm not clicking myself into any trades, okay, as long as I'm not clicking myself into any trades, okay, I can do anything funny, but I'm not going to click myself into any trades. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, that's a good classic. Raindrops keep falling. Indeed, yes. Yeah, I love that very much. Okay. And some of you, like Bradley, did you enter any trade, Bradley? I think because if you're looking into this, I'm looking into this situation. Okay, yeah, and it may be good for super scalper, you know, for super scalper. You can have about maybe 17 pips down here, another 13 pips, another 10 pips, then another 11 pips. You may have already captured quite a few rounds. Okay, you may capture 1, 2, 3, 4 rounds. Okay, 4 rounds. Okay, but however, I think Bradley no. Okay, but I think maybe, you know, it is still not very safe to scalp as well, because okay, it can be quite a high risk. Okay, all right. Yeah, scalper don't scalp this way. Yeah, even scalper don't scalp. Even the scalper, they don't scalp the trade this way. Then as for us, then all the more we shouldn't, huh? Okay, all the more we shouldn't. Okay, yeah. Okay, looks like I'm going to turn off my trading view. Okay. Well, do you think the euro dollar could go up? Let's take a look. Euro dollar. Generally, okay, in the general trend over here, it should be on the selling. Okay, it should be on the selling. Right. Then I will say that but because now, okay, we are experiencing this area of you know, turbulence sideways. Okay, if we are putting, sorry, it should be on the selling. I would say it should be on the selling. Okay, but the thing is that they are going up to look out for a resistance before they start selling. Okay, they are going up to look out for a resistance before it starts selling. Yeah. Euro dollar, Aussie dollar already make a run up earlier. Okay, let's take a look. Aussie dollar. Yeah. Okay. Aussie dollar is actually if you are looking at Aussie dollar, right? We are actually looking into this buy is temporary. Okay, this buy is temporary. I will say it can be temporary. All right. But what if there's support? If there is any support that's set up above 66.8, okay, 66.814, okay, then we will see if still going up to test the resistance up there. Okay, over here. Okay. Okay, true, they go up to go down and go down before it goes up. Indeed, that's correct. Okay, that's correct. Yeah, that's right. So at the moment for Aussie dollar, I'm looking at this area here that seems like Aussie dollar is telling us that it's going back for some reclamation, okay, to balance out the market. Then after that, then they will start to look out for the selling, okay. Then they will be They'll be starting to look out for the selling, okay. I guess this is not very good yet, okay. It will looks like it will still continue the selling. Okay. Aussie dollar, I see there's going to be a temporary sell down, but we only have about 7 pips, 7 to 8 pips. Okay, so it's also not enough for the, you know, not enough to scalp. Okay, pound dollar. Okay. Can you see now? Okay, They are dancing around this area. Okay, well done, everybody. Is dancing around this area here. Okay, so yeah, looks so boring, huh? Indeed, it's very boring. Come, let's drink some water. Okay, guys. Oh, 一起喝水，一起喝水。Well. Let's see. Okay. 好盐。Okay. Pound Aussie. The only thing that is moving is the Pound Aussie. Well, Pound Cat. No. No. Sabrina was saying that for euro dollar, okay, this is the resistance here. Okay. You can say so. Okay, but over here, this is actually the support that become a resistance. So in a way, it will still have a chance to push it down or to resist the price from going up. Okay, it can still be right, but then again is that we cannot place a pending order over here at immediately, and when it comes to this price and then the pending order will activate it, right? Okay, try not to, because there's still a chance that it may break above. Okay, if you're putting a pending order here to sell, okay, better not to. Okay, so let's wait and see if the pending order is it good. Okay, not pending order, what am I talking about? Okay, so let's see the resistance. Is the resistance here is good enough to hold it down? Okay, once you hold it down, I want to see a lower low, then it will be better. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's see. Let's take a look at this. Okay, let's take a look at this. Can you see it's like it's breaking up? It's breaking above, correct? So don't looks good. So that's the reason why I don't want you to put a pending order. I suggest not to put any pending order. Okay. Yeah. That's for euro dollar. GJ coming. Okay, let's take a look. GJ coming. Okay. GJ. Pound yen. Okay. Wow. It is so boring to the extent, can you believe I'm having hallucination now? I heard raindrops. Okay, pound yen. Okay, pound yen, please be careful. You know why? Because right at the moment we are on the support. We are already on the support. Look at the left side, this area here. we are already on the support. Okay, so this can be dangerous. Okay, so please be careful. Falling on your head, right? Yes, yes, indeed. Thank you, Vibe. Yes, you're keeping me awake. Okay, we have 4 minutes to go. All right, PP dollar yen UJ. All right, let's see. Okay, that's nice. Oh, PP UJ. Where did you enter the trade? Maybe you have entered quite early. Okay. Okay. Congratulations, Merry Christmas. Okay, well done, very good. Okay, so over here, yeah, I hope you can manage this trade well, and then later on, if it breaks below to retest, yeah, then even more to go. Okay, there'll be more to go. All right, so over at this point here, okay. Pound yen. Let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen. Pound yen. Okay, let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen. Here there's a support. Okay, so generally. Let's see if the pound yen able to form a lower resistance here, another new resistance below into this area. Well, you should have some 6 pips only. Wait for retest now. I see. Okay, anyway, 6 pips is also good. Okay. Pound yen. Dollar yen, sorry. Pound yen. Okay, let's see. A little bit more. I think it's coming. Okay. Pound yen. Pound yen. I'm waiting for pound yen to set up a new resistance. Okay. Then after that, yeah, good. Green candle is good. Okay, I'm waiting for it to set another round. Then will be a good chance to go for a selling. Okay. So this way, guys. For the pound yen, do remember. Okay, I want it to go out of this box. Okay. Then after that, okay, if there's any V shape, okay, any lower highs, okay, and that create a lower resistance, and the lower resistance will bring down the price to become a lower low. Okay, so look out for this. Look out for this. Okay, for the euro yen, not euro dollar, pound yen, and also pound dollar. Yeah. For pound dollar, If it breaks above the resistance, look out for support that form above 124.645, then can go for the buying. Okay, if it actually breaks below, that means to say I'm going to wait for it to have a new resistance to sell down. On the top, we need a new support to push up. Okay, for the bottom one, we need to have a lower resistance, okay, in the box to push it down. Okay, that's the plan. So basically today, for the currency pairs that we are looking out for just now, we almost have the same plan, huh? Okay, so pound yen, you see, all right, Mumbai. Okay, so it's like it's coming, but you know, I'm still waiting for it to build the resistance so that it can come down. Okay, all right. Yeah. I see that it's so boring. Really very boring. Okay. Okay. Let me check my my BPM. Well, anyone want to take a risk to sell this pound dollar to this area here? No lah. I think better not, right? Okay, I think better not. Okay. Looks like still hovering around this area here, and Dodger. Okay. What about the dollar yen? Dollar yen waiting for retesting. Yeah, I think dollar yen may have a chance to sell down. Okay, if it's for dollar yen, right? Dollar yen, I'll be waiting for it to break 139.607. Just now, as we mentioned, okay, 139.607. If I want to sell dollar yen, I make sure it breaks 139.607. Then I will go down to take this liquidity down here. Okay. Well, so looks like dollar is trying to hold it try to hold it here so that it will not drop. It was like so hard to push it up yesterday, and today it's going to drop back to reclaim back the losses. Okay, looks like the dollar is trying to, huh? Okay, pound dollar. Pound dollar. No good. Okay, we are stuck in between this area here. Okay. So no good. Okay. Yep. Then let me see. Okay, guys, let's talk about the plan. Dollar yen over here, 139.607. After it breaks, retest this area as a resistance. I will want to take my first round of profit, about 23 pips. Okay, that will be one. Okay, and yes, sorry, you cannot hear me. Okay, right. So let's talk about this plan for dollar yen. 139.607. I want it to break below. After retest as a resistance over here to set up one resistance, I will have my first 23 pips. Okay, so after that, if that breaks that level, it will continue to go down for about 57 pips. Okay, that's for the dollar yen. Alright, so for pound dollar, we are stuck here. Okay, we are still in this area. We are stuck. So either way, it's going to get into my blue box here, then set up a support buy. When the buy signal comes in, you go ahead and buy. If they get into the blue box below and it set up a resistance, okay, then go ahead and sell. Okay, very clear. Okay, for pound yen, we are still in this area. Okay, no matter what, we are going to wait. Okay, either way, okay, either way it break above, same thing, set up the support, then you go for the buy. When it breaks below, set up for the resistance, then you go on for the selling. Okay, so the resistance must come either below or above this box. Okay, either way, huh? All right, so that's for the pound yen. So pound euro dollar, well, euro dollar, we are also stuck in this area here, waiting for it to test onto the resistance. All right, if the resistance able to hold, it should be coming back down for selling. Of course, if it doesn't, it breaks above, then wait for another round of support, then you go for a buy trade. Okay, so that's for the euro dollar. Okay, then for euro yen, we are stuck here. But something good about euro yen is that, like I said, it's going to come back here, retest and form a new resistance. Yes, that will be good. Okay, that will be so good. All right. Okay, so since there's nothing right now, okay, so keep yourself away from your trading platform. Okay, just keep yourself away from your trading platform. Right. Then, okay, come back on the New York session. Come back on the next H4 opening or the New York session. Okay, right. Tentatively, don't allow FOMO to creep into you. Okay, all right. Okay, yeah. So the only one that look quite potential one is the euro yen. Is going to form a resistance on below this box. Okay, then after it, then it will come into test into this area, break this area. Then after that, should be going down for another 20 pips. 20 pips. That's for the euro yen. Okay, that's for the euro yen. All right, guys. Okay, pound dollar is on the buy side, huh? Pound dollar. Oh, yeah, yeah, good. Okay, all right, that's good. That's good. Okay, that's for the pound dollar. All right, so yeah, that's good. That's good. Go, go, go. Please go. Please go. All right, euro dollar. Still on the way. Okay, euro dollar need to push a little bit, huh? Okay. Yeah, for pound dollar, very good. It's now moving towards the north. Break, close above, retest to set up support, then go for the buy. Then go for the buy. Okay, we have price up here 30, almost 33 pips, 33 to 35, 33 to 35 pips. Okay, that's for the pound dollar. All right, guys. Yep. Okay, I think that should be all for today. Yes, what a boring session. Okay, I know. But nevertheless, alright, do remember to smash the like button to show your appreciation. Okay? Alright, so once again, wish you good luck, not just for today and for the next 2 weeks. Okay, so we'll try to keep in touch in the Discord community. Okay? Thank you very much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vibe. Thank you very much. I shall see you on the 26th. Okay, 26th of June. Yeah. Okay, so remember to always keep yourself in a state of with plans. Okay, give yourself some key levels and work out the plans according to the key levels. Then after that, all right, after that, go on the trading. Okay, well, do remember to stay subscribed when I'm not around. Okay, so I will be back really real soon for all of you. Okay, okay, thank you so much, guys. And this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. I shall wish you good luck in your trading for the next 2 weeks. Right, thank you so much, guys. See you again.